Okay, so this video we are going to see how to draw this pattern using Python. Okay, in Python language. So to do that, we'll move to our Python program, which in this case we are using Tony. Tony is a very interesting program. So we'll start here. We know in Python we do not need to declare variables. So I'm not going to declare variables for rows and columns. I'll just use them directly. So I will say the for loop. For I in range. So I'll give my range. I want it to appear in 5 rows. So I'll just put this and then add the column. Once I'm inside, I will now declare the second loop for J. J also will be in the same range. Okay. For J in the same range, what do? I will now print in the loop. What I want is I want to just print asterisk. So it's just print asterisk. So once we are done with the row, we go to a new line. Okay, we go to a new line, and we can use \n for us to go to a new line. So that is it. We'll save the program. We have to save the program now. Where do I save my program? Okay. Create a folder which I will call patterns in Python. Okay. And I will save it as pattern 1. So voila. So I've saved that. Let's run now and see if it gives us the output expected of us. It does not. Oh, it does not print on one line. Do you know why? Oh, I see why. It's because I did not add n here. N equals to space. That is. I think. Is that so? Let's try and see. Voila. So this is it here. You can see it here. This is it. That's printed it down here. The shell is so small. So we can see it here. So everything meaningful. We've done what is expected. We have to just add this so that it prints on the same line. Yeah. So that it prints on the same line. So that is it. Thank you very much. See you in our next video.